What's up, Stellar XLM holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Stellar Price prediction. Now, guys, in this video, I'm talking about the XLM right now changes. So, let's start the video. But, guys, before starting this video, if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So guys, the right now price of the Stellar Lumens in the market is 0.375099 USD dollar. That is the right now price of the Stellar XLM. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the changes occurring in the XLM, so you can see here only the latest situation is again in lows. So a lot of people worrying about XLM that what should we do in this critical situation. Possibilities, guys, that the price jumps more and more. But guys, I'm not sure about that the price will decrease, but possibilities. Other side, the yesterday changes of the XLM is positive, but now in the latest situation the things are getting wrong. So that's why I'm worrying about that. Now you can see it is time the price pump, falls down, again pump. So I think they again repeat this falls, again repeat this falls here. So maybe, guys, maybe this falls is temporary, but we got to see about the future. And you can see here if we do a technical analysis, so you can see step by step like that. They continue step like that, falls down, jump, again falls down, again they will jump, and again. But gradually, if we look the average changes occurring still exiting, so the price is going to decrease. So be alert if you're a short-term investor, so I recommend for you to sell now. And if you're a long-term investor, so I recommend for you to please hold, because the whole future is bright. 2021, at the last of 2021, I hope the price of XLM will be $1 USD dollar. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your opinion about Stellar Lumens? Also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.